Welcome back to another Freestyle Friday. Every single week we're gonna cook it my way. We've got a teeny tiny kitchen with only a couple pans and pots. So grab yourself a pen and paper. I will show you what I've got. Welcome back to the kitchen, guys. It is Friday. My name's Eamon. We are here in our beautiful tiny house. I live here with my amazingly gorgeous fiance, Rebecca, who's behind the camera. She'll probably be giggling at all my hilarious jokes today. Today we're gonna keep it a little bit simple. It might be a short video, but I think it's a key video because I want everybody to understand how important this sauce is to my life as a plant eater. Cream. Cream is one of those things that, you know, people love to douse on anything. It makes anything taste better. So as a vegan or plant eater, we don't eat cream. And this little nut right here is called a cashew. Cashew. It's delicious on its own. But just wait until you see what we can do when we soak it down, blend it up, mix some spices in there. It's insane. It is gonna change your life. I gotta eat this cashew. Shouldn't have done that. Now's a good time to talk to you about our sponsors. We've got an amazing promotion. We just talked with the guys at the head office here at Chaiwalla. We're actually hooking up the first 50 viewers. That's right, the first 50 viewers with 20% off. It just came in live from HQ.
No, it didn't.
20% off to our first 50 viewers, guys. We're gonna leave the code below. It is Eamon and Beck at checkout. That's the code. 20% off. You can try your own Chaiwalla chai at home.
You're insane.
All you'll need is about 200 grams of cashews, some good quality salt, lemon, and ACV. Oh wait, and jalapeno slices. This is how I do my cashew cream. A lot of cashew creams you're gonna see online are gonna keep it kind of simple like that. I like to it's not gonna add spice, it's just gonna add depth. You're gonna see, it's gonna be amazing. We're gonna start with the cashews. Now there's two ways to do your cashews. So you can either soak them overnight, if you've got time and a schedule and you're organized, that's great. Otherwise, I find there's absolutely no difference. We can boil them in a pot for 10 minutes. We just wanna soften those up a little bit. First step here, we're gonna go right into the pot. See you later, 10 bucks. So we're gonna boil those down for about 10 minutes. I'm just gonna let those ride. It will make your life a lot easier if you have a good quality blender. You can use a NutriBullet. You can try and play around with that. You might need to pulse it a few times because you really wanna make this smooth. So you want something that will really whip it up. I'm gonna start with a little apple cider vinegar. That looks good. 3 tablespoons. Some people like their cashew cream super acidic. Some people want it a little bit more sour, so you can play around with those flavors. You're gonna need a little bit of salt. These are fully unsweetened, unsalted cashews. So you wanna get a nice salt flavor in there. I think we're gonna do one more lemon, at least half. These are small lemons, so sometimes you might get a bigger lemon, you might need one, but I'm gonna throw half in there. These aren't really hot, these are like mild, so if they're super hot, you might not want to do as many. I put like 4 or 5 in there, a little bit of that liquid. You won't even really taste the heat because the cashews and the cream really dumb it out, but I find it's just, even if you're not looking for a spicy meal, 1 or 2 jalapenos will help extend that range. It just adds a little bit of bite. So that's all I'm gonna start with until I actually taste it. You can mix that around a little bit, and now we're just gonna wait for the cashews. This is done, so I just turned off the gas quickly. We're gonna drain that, rinse it off, cool it down. That was about 10 minutes on boil. Go right into there. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. You have to add a little bit of water, otherwise it's gonna be way too thick. And you'll see I'm gonna be adding water as we go, depending on how thick you want it. If you want it super runny, you'll add more water, but also, of course, if you add too much water, you'll water down that flavor. That'll be no fun. You can tell the blender is jumping, and that means it's getting a little too thick. So instead of really forcing it, add a little more water. Don't go crazy with the water, just even that much makes a huge difference. Cashew cream literally makes everything better, guys. If you're having a tough day, this is what you should be doing. You should be going home and making this. That's the consistency you want. You want that silk. Looks like cream. Get them right in there. Hey, look at this. So that's gonna be your cashew cream standard, I would call that. Now, this stuff is so versatile, so you can use this, as I said, nachos as a dip. Make a big plate of nachos with some salsa. You're gonna make a pasta dish, but who's got time just for a regular tomato sauce pasta? Step it up, go with the rosé. Just add a can of regular tomato sauce with a couple scoops of this, you've got the most amazing rosé of all time. One of my personal favorites is just tweaking it a little bit. You could even make it like this. Roast up some garlic if you have an oven, go crazy fancy. Roast up garlic with a little bit of oil on it. Throw that in there with a little bit of nutritional yeast, black pepper. You've got a Caesar salad dressing. The possibilities are endless. A lot of the times we'll just make this and just absolutely shower in it. We'll do tacos, we'll do fajitas, put this on a burger, and it's great to make a little extra. This will stay good in the fridge for, 3 to 5 days. Keep sealed tight. But yeah, that kind of wraps up our cashew cream deliciousness. I'm gonna hold on to this dearly. And if you have any questions about the cream, let me know. I encourage you guys to try this. Even if you don't like cashews, this is gonna be vegan butter, God saviors. I don't know how else to describe this other than it's just incredible. If you guys liked the video, please smash that thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, go ahead, smash that thumbs up. And I will see you next week on another episode of Freestyle Friday. Okay, peace.
Make sure you tag us in your photos. We love them.
You heard the lady.
Tag us in your photos. We love them. Get a couple angles of the Freestyle Friday and do a little more.
Woo! Woo! So many camera angles, don't know who I'm talking to.